Students, teachers, and staff at the Albertown High School in Trelawney are breathing a sigh of relief, while teachers and students at 2 St. James primary schools and 1 high school are expressing gratitude to the Ministry of Education and Youth and other stakeholders. We tell you why on this episode of Western Roundup. Stick around. More than 800 students, teachers, and auxiliary staff at the Albertown High School in Trelawney are breathing a sigh of relief with the recent installation of a 20,000-gallon tank and other rainwater harvesting mechanisms at the institution. This alleviates the need to purchase water at $40,000 per load from Falmouth in Trelawney or from as far as Christiana in Manchester.
We are really grateful for this initiative, and I'm confident that it will serve to benefit us as teachers and the student body. We are thankful and we trust that the students and teachers will use it and be grateful.
This is an area where we have a lot of rain, and we are now going to be able to take advantage of this resource so that we can solve a problem that we have been having here for years.
The school's water storage capacity has been increased to 50,000 gallons. Commissioning the $4.5 million investment into service, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator Matthew Samudo, hailed the project as an investment in the future of the nation.
We will make the investments in the capacity of water storage right across the length and breadth of this country, especially in rural schools, to ensure not an hour of learning loss can be attributed to water supply.
The initiative was spearheaded by the Rural Water Supply Limited and included the laying of 350 feet of pipe, installation of guttering, and the donation of 8 black tanks and a pumping system. Meanwhile, the residents of Martha Brae in Trelawney also benefited from an upgraded water intake system. This initiative will allow the National Water Commission, NWC, to harness an additional 5 million gallons of water daily, increasing the overall production at the Martha Brae Water Treatment Plant from 80 million gallons to more than 11 million gallons.
One of the options presented was to expand the Martha Brae Water Treatment Plant, and it was accepted, and it was expanded by 5 million gallons per day. And the vision for the Martha Brae is that ultimately it can be expanded by a further 10.
Over in St. James, the students and staff at the Barrett-Town and the John Rawlins Success Primary Schools, along with the Spot Valley High School, benefited from a donation of equipment valuing US $15,000 from the U.S. Southern Command Humanitarian Assistance Program. The items donated included 3 multifunction printers and 3 interactive whiteboards. The donation was facilitated by the National Education Trust, NET.
This project is a collaboration between the Department of Defense and the Ministry of Education and Youth here in Jamaica. Projects like this empower students, empower teachers, and the community as a whole. The donation of smart whiteboards and multi-function printers symbolize the partnership and commitment between the United States and the country of Jamaica.
Hailing the donation as a boost to the sector, Regional Director in the Ministry of Education and Youth, Dr. Michelle Pinnock, says students will now have a better opportunity to be empowered through technology.
The Ministry of Education and Youth takes very seriously the technological improvements required in each school and understands that in order for children and young people to be prepared for their future, to make them future ready, we have to start in the Jamaican classroom. We believe in Western Jamaica through STEM education. Once we're able to motivate our young people, get them critically thinking, getting them collaborating, getting them communicating with others, then our creativity will take us to the next level.
Expressing gratitude on behalf of the schools, Principal of Barrett-Town Primary, Anthony Murray, says the donation will increase the capacity of the institutions to better deliver STEM education in the classroom.
For Jamaica schools to provide the first run and competitive students that we need, so that they can match the global market. Our schools must be equipped with high-quality training equipment and resources to aid in the delivery of the curriculum. As such, your donation today of ITC equipment is a step in the right direction.
And that's all for the program. As usual, thanks for joining us on this episode of Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.